Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this split pin in SolidWorks, and for this we'll be following this drawing. We have here all the dimensions we need to make it. Let's start. First we'll have to open a new part in SolidWorks, and here we'll make this plane white, and I will open a sketch in the front plane. Here we'll start with line and we'll make the next sketch. First make a line like this, and then let's make another one like this. Make these 2 points vertical. And now let's give some dimensions. So first this line here will have 36 millimeters. From this point to this one, here will be 4. And now from this one to this one, here will be 3.7. Okay, now what we'll have to do is to select circle, and let's make here a circle just like this. Select this point with this circle, select here coincide, and do the same on this other side, so coincide. Okay, and now let's select smart dimension and let's give a dimension from, actually first let's make a center line. We'll make a center line like this. And with smart dimension, let's give a dimension to this center line. Here will be 7.4 millimeters. Okay, and now let's check the other dimension. With smart dimension, we'll have to select point and just place a point right here, so we can measure the distance from this point to this point. And here is 6.9, exactly as on the drawing. Nice, and now we'll have to use trim entities command to cut this part of this circle. So with trim entities command, just cut this part. That's good, and now I'll have to apply some fillets to this point and this point right here. And for this, go up here, select sketch fillet, or we can do this after, but I'm gonna do it now. And now entities to fillet will be these 2 points, but first let's give here the radius. The radius will be 1.85. Okay, and now select these 2 points and press here OK. And now our sketch is fully defined. This will be the path for the swept boss base. Press here OK. Exit this sketch, and I'll have to make another sketch. So we'll select right plane, because right plane is here in this point, and open a new sketch in the right plane. And here we'll make a circle, and then select line, and we'll make a horizontal line just in the middle of this circle. Now with smart dimension, let's give this a dimension. This will have the diameter 3.7 millimeters, and now with trim entities command again, we'll cut this half of the circle. And now let's combine these 2 sketches. So select this point with this point and select here coincide. Perfect, this is everything. Now exit this sketch and go to swept boss base command, and here sketch 2 should be selected, and then we'll have to select the path for this sweep, and we'll select this other sketch, the first one. Press here OK, and this is the split pin. This is how easy you can make one. So this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.